So AI will be the disruptor. We know this already, but I also believe it can be an opportunity. So I want to actually look back a little bit at previous boom and bust cycles just to have a little bit of a better sense of history. This is an approximation. It's not a real scientific graph. So think of it a little bit more of like, okay, roughly these are the kinds of cycles that we had since 1990s. It turns out somebody was asking me in preparation for this, how many do these happen often? Since 1850, there have been about 34 of these boom and bust cycles. So these do happen on a very regular basis. They generally last between 7 and 10 years. And sometimes, of course, they're a little bit shorter, like we've just experienced. What's really interesting is to understand what drives these boom and bust cycles. The boom cycles are usually driven by some kind of tech innovation or potentially also some kind of changes in legislation. So we have, if you look at this, we have some innovation in the finance business, the finance sector, especially in the United States. By the way, I apologize that I am referencing the United States here quite a bit. But we had several financial services-based meltdowns, if you will, the savings and loan crisis in the early 90s, and then, of course, the very well-known recession in 2009. But then we also had the tech innovation that led to the significant boom of the dot-com era. I don't know how many of you lived through it, but it was really remarkable and a complete insanity. But it was followed, of course, by the bust because of the over-enthusiasm. And we've been now in a pretty steady 10-year growth cycle, very much driven by digital, by mobile, by different forms of technology innovation, with everything being in the cloud. So for anybody who's really built their career over the last 10 years, you've been living through this amazingly positive growth cycle with lots of enthusiasm for different roles and disciplines. But the reality is the last 10 years, and now there's a change, and this is a pretty repetitive cycle.